Major leaks about Apple's future iPhones are already creating huge excitement, and the latest information reveals that 2026 could become one of the most important years in the history of the iPhone. Two major devices are expected to arrive that year: the iPhone 18 Pro series and Apple's very first foldable smartphone, widely rumored to be called the iPhone Fold or possibly the iPhone Ultra. Both devices are expected to bring big upgrades in camera technology, battery life, and design innovation. Apple appears to be taking a balanced approach this time by improving its traditional flagship while also entering the foldable smartphone market for the first time. The Apple strategy seems clear: refine what already works while also pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology. Starting with the iPhone 18 Pro, the device may look familiar at first glance, but several important upgrades are expected under the surface. Apple is known for focusing on small but meaningful improvements rather than dramatic design changes every year. Because of this, the overall shape and layout of the phone will likely remain similar to previous Pro models. However, one noticeable change could be the addition of a new red or deep maroon color option, giving the device a fresh appearance compared to earlier models. While the outside may stay familiar, the biggest improvements are expected to appear in the camera system. The main camera of the iPhone 18 Pro could introduce a new variable aperture lens. This feature allows the camera to control how much light enters the sensor. In bright conditions, the aperture can close slightly to capture sharper details. In darker environments, it can open wider to let in more light. This technology is already used in professional cameras, and bringing it to a smartphone could greatly improve photo quality in different lighting conditions. Zoom photography may also see a huge upgrade. The telephoto camera is rumored to support optical zoom levels between 8x and 10x. That would allow users to capture faraway subjects much more clearly without losing image quality. Wildlife photography, sports shots, and distant landscape photos could all benefit from this improvement. Selfie lovers may also notice a big change. The front-facing camera could jump from 18 megapixels to 24 megapixels. This means sharper selfies, clearer video calls, and better detail for social media photos. Battery performance is another area where Apple is expected to make improvements. Reports suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro may include a battery between 5100 and 5200 mAh, which is slightly larger than previous models. Combined with Apple's new processor, this could lead to a significant improvement in battery life. That new processor is expected to be called the Apple A20 chip. According to early leaks, this chip could be around 30% more power efficient than the previous generation. This means better performance while also using less battery power. Because of these improvements, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could deliver more than 40 hours of battery life on a single charge, which would be one of the longest battery performances ever seen on an iPhone. Despite all these upgrades, pricing may remain surprisingly stable. Leaks suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro Max could still start at around $199. Keeping the same price while adding new features could make the device very attractive for users planning to upgrade. While the iPhone 18 Pro focuses on refinement, the iPhone Fold represents something completely new for Apple. For years, foldable smartphones have been dominated by companies like Samsung, but Apple has been taking its time before entering the market. Now it appears that the company is finally ready to launch its first foldable device. The iPhone Fold is expected to feature a dual-screen design. On the outside, there may be a smaller 5.3-inch display that allows users to quickly check notifications, reply to messages, or make calls without opening the phone. When unfolded, the device could reveal a much larger 7.8-inch display that provides a tablet-like experience for watching videos, gaming, or multitasking. This larger internal screen could make the phone feel like a compact tablet that fits in a pocket. Apple is also reportedly focusing heavily on durability. One of the biggest problems with foldable phones today is the visible crease in the middle of the screen. To solve this, the iPhone Fold may feature a nearly crease-free display with a special clear polyamide coating. This layer helps protect the screen from scratches while still allowing it to bend smoothly. Another important part of the design is the hinge. Apple is rumored to be using a liquid metal hinge that is both strong and durable. This could allow the phone to handle thousands of folds without losing its structural strength. Security features may also be slightly different compared to other recent iPhones. Instead of Face ID being the main method, the iPhone Fold may include Touch ID built directly into the power button, making it easier to unlock the device whether the phone is folded or unfolded. Battery life is another area where Apple seems to be pushing boundaries. The iPhone Fold is expected to include the largest battery ever used in an iPhone, possibly exceeding 500 mAh. That extra capacity will help power the two displays and maintain strong battery life throughout the day. However, this advanced technology will come at a premium price. Early reports suggest that the iPhone Fold could start at around $2,000, making it the most expensive iPhone Apple has ever released. Apple is also reportedly planning a different launch strategy for its upcoming phones. Instead of releasing every model at the same time, the company may introduce the Pro versions of the iPhone 18 lineup first in 2026. Meanwhile, the standard models and another device known as the iPhone Air 2 could arrive later in 2027. This staggered release approach would allow Apple to focus more attention on its flagship devices before expanding the lineup further. There are even rumors that Apple is experimenting with another type of foldable phone, a flip-style device similar to compact foldable phones already available on the market. May also be in development, although there is no confirmed launch date yet. This shows that Apple is exploring multiple foldable designs for the future. Overall, 2026 could become a major turning point for the smartphone industry. The iPhone 18 Pro will likely continue Apple's tradition of powerful and reliable flagship devices, while the iPhone Fold may introduce an entirely new way to experience the iPhone. With stronger cameras, longer battery life, improved performance, and a brand new foldable design, Apple's upcoming devices could push smartphone technology into its next phase. More leaks and updates about these devices are expected in the coming months, and the competition between smartphone companies will likely become even more intense. For more updates about upcoming smartphones, major tech leaks, and the latest mobile innovations, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the next update.